Hello, Julie here, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Now today I've got something a bit unusual for me. I don't usually do this, but Beebeecraft have got a promotion at the moment whereby if you've got at least 100 subscribers to your YouTube channel, you can contact them and they'll send you some product to promote their business because they're just starting out and they're looking for new customers. So I will put a link in the description box to where you can do that if you want to. So anybody that's got a YouTube channel qualifies so long as they've got at least 100 subscribers, and the link will be in the bottom in the description box below. So you can choose your items, and so I've chosen a bit of a mixture actually. I've got this awl which I think will be fantastic for you know, making the holes to bind my signatures into journals. Also fantastic for poking holes in anything really. It's quite good. It's a nice wooden handle, it's nice and smooth, just fits in your hand nicely, and comes with this little protective pouch which is another bonus. So that's the awl. I've also got one of these wax seal stamps. So this is quite a pretty little design. It's got a little floral emblem there with the leaves going up. So I'm really into wax seals at the moment, so I'll be using this to show you how to make some wax seals. This stamp is a great idea. So it's alphabets, right, and they pop into each other, so you can make your word. So let's say you want to make so let's say we're doing as, so we put that there, put that there. Where's the knife come off? That goes in there. And then we put those together, then stamp, and you know that they're going to be straight and lined up. And it comes with letters and numbers, so you can do both. So I thought they'd be handy for just putting little stamps on labels, tickets, that sort of thing. I'm not going to worry about putting them back in order at this point in time, so they can go in there. Another thing I bought, I thought these might be good for dangles. So most of this stuff I've got for journaling, junk journaling. So these are glass beads and they've got flowers printed on them. So they're quite, like, they're good quality, and yeah, I just thought they were really interesting. I mean, look at the colours. They can go with just about anything. So I don't know how many in a pack, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, about 20 in the pack, and they're 12mm, so about ½ an inch for those that are in the inches. I got this stamp. It's a silicone stamp. I'll take it out of the packet so it doesn't glare. And it's all sorts of tickets. So there's bus tickets, train tickets, airline tickets, all that sort of thing. And I don't know if that's even, yeah, still not very good for reflecting. But there's all sorts of tickets on there which I thought I could stamp and fussy cut for ephemera to use in my journals. So that's that. And then I got this little, it's a jewellery kit, but it will be ideal for making dangles. So it comes, you get these little, I don't know whether you can see that very well, but they've got like little teeth on them. and you squeeze those shut and it grips onto things, and then it's got this little hook on here where you can hang a chain. So it comes with a bit of chain as well, some chain, and then it's also got these little, I think they call them lobster clips. So yeah, so you can make the whole thing a little dangle with all of this little kit, and it comes in silver and gold, and these little clips come in an assortment of sizes. So we got that wide, bit hard to see, and the shorter one. So that one, and that one. And as I said, that's in silver and gold. So I'm going to have fun making all sorts of goodies with these little items, and I will show you some videos on how I'm using them. So as I said, the link will be down below if you're interested in doing the YouTube challenge, and also there will be a link to the Beebeecraft's website below, and also a coupon code. So if you use Julie10, you'll get 10% off of your order. Now, it didn't take that long for this to come. I would say probably about 10 days. So yeah, anyway, I'm really happy with my little collection here, and I can't wait to get started using them and showing you what I make along the way. So remember, Beebeecrafts, the YouTube program in the link below, also a link to their website, and also a coupon code Julie10 to save 10% on your order. So thanks for joining me, and I'll be back to show you what I make with these. Okay, bye.